Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make some more custom coins for sandboxranch.com. Now you might see me on video and lots of blog posts and that kind of stuff on the website at CNCKing.com. But what you might not know is I also do lots of craft shows and other kind of shows in physical being. And with that involved, some of the common questions I get from customers are how much things cost and those sort of things. And I'll always try to figure out a way to do that, but in a more creative way than just sticking stickers on everything. And I've come to the conclusion where I've got to stick stickers on everything. When it comes to these banks that I make for sandboxranch.com, my other business, the most common question I get is how much is it? Now I have a little coin on the inside, and on the coin it says the price. So there's never any question as to how much something costs now, because it's literally right on the bank. I didn't want to put it on the acrylic, because it can be kind of trouble to take off if you don't know what you're doing. And I didn't want to leave it on the wood because most of these banks go out unfinished. And because of that, if you have some little bit of the tackiness on it and you don't sand it beforehand and you start finishing a bank, you'll see where that sticker used to be. So my solution, of course, is to make custom coins, which I make a lot of. And on the back, I have a little sticker, and that's where I write down the price. Now I needed something that was high contrast, and that's why for those banks, I have the coin, of course, and that's why I didn't write it on the coin itself, because having something that's white with a black marker is much a higher contrast for people to see visually, when they walk around in the... When it comes to making custom coins, we can literally make them out of any material that you want: metal, wood, plastic, rubber, what have you. In this case here, it's for the case study is basically my other business, sandboxranch.com. And originally I wanted to give something extra with every bank. And I thought about it for a while, and the thing that came up to me over and over again was actually coins. The nice thing about wooden coins is a lot of people have never seen laser engraved wood, much less coins made, with a laser. So that's something I want to introduce to people as well. Especially kids, they get a coin, they get a bank. Oh, wow, that's cool. Oh, there's a coin too. Oh, that's kind of neat too. And the nice thing is that bank has the website address, so they can go to the website and they can see actually how their bank was made. I find that the more interesting process than just having a bank sitting on the shelf, personally. So when it comes to their design options, they're completely endless. We can laser engrave one side, the other side. We can also cut all the way through. So not only can you can have a custom double-sided bank or a double-sided coin, you can also have elements that are cut all the way through the coin as well. That also means that the edge can be in any way you want. So if you want to get crowned edge or straight edge or what have you, the coins don't have to be round either. We can make them oval, we can make them square, what have you. Now in the past with CNCKing.com, a lot of the coins we make are actually challenge coins for military and also for rehab and other applications like that. They're hardwood, so they're very durable, and they're something that's unique. So a lot of people have never seen wooden coins in their life. So it's just an extra little thing that, oh, that's kind of neat, sort of thing. So when it comes to all the design elements you want, literally any font works. For the images, you want to make sure they're vector image, so they're nice and clear. Although it is with wood, we have a lot of tolerance regarding the resolution of the final image. You still want something nice and clear and black and white, so that either the laser is on or off, but either way you're producing a really sharp mark for the customer. In this case here, I don't finish any of them. Again, because I sell the banks unfinished, I also want to give the coins unfinished. And the customer can do that, or if they want, we can do that for them in the shop on a request basis. Now you notice here that I'm cutting them out. I'm not very efficient with the spacing, because really I should be staggering these coins, but it just happens that the size of this board meant if I staggered it, I'd lose a row anyways. So I actually produce more coins having them laid out as you see them here than if I would have staggered them across as I normally do custom coins in the shop for other people. What I like about going at craft shows and those sort of things with my wares is that I get feedback that I don't really get otherwise. Most of the work we do here is industrial, and these things are a nice break from doing huge metal jobs and that kind of stuff, and it's fun to do as well. So I design these banks in a specific way, and I'm optimizing a product because, again, everything I do at CNCKing.com, almost everything is sort of one-off, so to speak, meaning that I'll do the job and then that's it, you know. There's no room for optimizing over and over and over again. These banks here, for the last year, I've been optimizing them, you know, everything, design, materials, every aspect of it has been modified over the past year, and they keep getting modified a little bit here and there. So when I go to craft shows, that's when I get the feedback. Well, you know, I like this, but I don't like that, you know, that kind of stuff. They don't really get online. So looking for custom banks and coins, you can buy them right now at sandboxranch.com. Custom coins, whatever sort of design aspect you want them, no problem. And of course, we have the custom banks there as well that I make here in the shop, and I ship out across North America.